Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case which is based on the registration of an educational institution under section 10(23)(c) clause 6. Friends, as it is very clear from the previous finance acts that our government is very strict on all the organizations which are in the field of education and who are registered under section 12A or section 10(23)(c). Day by day, the formalities for these organizations, the reporting requirements are increasing, and even a single mistake on the part of the organization, for example, if they are not filing their return of income on time, or if they are not filing their audit report on time, or if they are not filing their form 9 or form 10 on time, then they will be dragging themselves into a big problem in the form of huge demands by the CPC or by the income tax department. The present issue before the Punjab and Haryana High Court was that if the assessee applies for exemption under section 10(23)(c) clause 6, and if in the object clause of the assessee there are some other objects also like social media, spiritual activities, then whether the Commissioner of Income Tax is justified in denying the exemption under section 10(23)(c) to the assessee on the basis that it do have multiple objects. This issue has been taken up by Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court in the case of Shri Guru Har Gobind Sahib Charitable Trust versus Central Board of Direct Taxes and others. This case has been reported in 473 ITR at page number 580, and the date of the judgment is 29th July 2024. The assessee applied for exemption under section 10(23)(c) clause 6 as an educational institution. When this application was pending before the Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, the Chief Commissioner of Income Tax observed that according to the Memorandum of Association of the assessee, there are multiple objects, and those objects were also including the object of social media, spiritual activities in addition to the education. The Chief Commissioner of Income Tax rejected the application of the assessee under section 10(23)(c) clause 6 on the basis that the objects of the assessee are other than education and they are not solely for the education. It was the contention of the Chief Commissioner of Income Tax that an assessee can get the exemption under section 10(23)(c) clause 6 only when the objects of the assessee are only for education and not for any other purpose. That is, any other object cannot take the place in the object clause of an assessee which is going to seek the registration under section 10(23)(c) clause 6. The assessee filed the writ petition before the Punjab and Haryana High Court, and when this matter was heard by the court said that in the present case the assessee was not founded solely for educational purposes but also for other purposes. The court said that in the present case the Chief Commissioner of Income Tax has rightly not granted the exemption to the assessee under section 10(23)(c) clause 6, and it is very apparent that the objects are beyond the educational purposes, so the Chief Commissioner of Income Tax is justified in denying the exemption to the assessee. The court said that in the present case the exemption was claimed by the assessee itself and not by the educational institution, and further it was the finding of the court that the finding of the Chief Commissioner of Income Tax does not need interference, and the court also relied the judgment of the Apex Court in the case of New Noble Education Society versus Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, which was decided in 2022 and which is reported in 448 ITR at page number 594. Friends, from this case it is very apparent that for getting the exemption under section 10(23)(c) clause 6, the objects of the assessee should be solely for the education purposes and not for any other purpose. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Shri Guru Har Gobind Sahib Charitable Trust versus Central Board of Direct Taxes and others, and this case is reported in 473 ITR at page number 580, and the date of the judgment is 29th July 2024. Thank you, friends.